Hi, my name is Brian Norton with the In-Data project at Easterseals Crossroads, and today we're going to be taking a look at a feature of Windows Speech Recognition called Show Numbers. So let's go ahead and take a look. So today I wanted to talk about Windows Speech Recognition and a particular feature in Windows Speech Recognition called Show Numbers. Show Numbers is really great no matter where you're at on the computer. For those that are used to dictate within Office 365, this is a little bit different, but Windows Speech Recognition allows you to have full control of your computer. I've actually got some folks who I've worked with who prefer this over even some of the more expensive, more pay-for versions of voice input software, especially when they don't have access to a keyboard or mouse. They aren't able to traditionally use those very well. They rely on their voice to navigate the computer. And some find this really, really useful, especially if you're doing a lot of clicking and a lot of moving around. There's a particular feature that I think you should know about. It's called Show Numbers, and it doesn't matter where you are at on your computer, whether you're in the web or in any other program, it'll actually put a number over anything that's clickable on that particular screen. And then when you say show numbers, it's going to number things, and then you can say choose and the number that you want to choose to be able to pick that. So up here you can see I've got Windows Speech Recognition opened up. If you don't know where that is, it's in the control panel. You can search for it from the start menu. Just type in Windows Speech Recognition. There is some basic setup of your microphone and some training and a tutorial that come with it if you need that, if you're new to it. So you can check that out as you start that program up. But I'm going to go ahead and jump into it for our sake today and talk about Show Numbers. Show Numbers. And as you can see, the numbers get put over anything and anything that's clickable on this particular screen. And you can see that every number it's got a number. I want to click on the flag over there. And so it looks like that is 72. So it's right over here. It's kind of highlighted in 72. So I'm going to do it again. Show Numbers. Choose 72. Okay. And you notice I clicked over there. Let's try again. I'm going to click on United States here, and I'll click on it. Show Numbers. Show Numbers. Choose 92. Choose OK. Choose 92. OK. And so that's what I wanted to show you today. That's Show Numbers. Again, it doesn't matter where you're at or what program you're in. It'll actually allow you to click on those things. Just for time's sake, I'm going to open up a Word document over here, and I'll use that command as well, just to kind of see what it looks like within a different program. Show Numbers. Show Numbers. And as you can kind of see, it highlighted all of the different controls, not just in the menu bar, but also in our icon or our ribbon to be able to let you be able to quickly access any of those different tools and be able to operate and change the way text shows up. So just a simple command I thought I'd want to share with folks. Show Numbers is really super powerful and really makes Windows Speech Recognition stand out as being able to give you full access to the computer. Well, that's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the In-Data project at Easterseals Crossroads in Indiana.